the best information about making Monery online. You will be able to make some money online if you're able to put your mind to it. You just have to have a computer and online connection. But, you ought to learn a few tricks and techniques to really maximize your potential. Thoroughly review any online site before you give them any type of commitment or information. While there are numerous opportunities to make money from behind a monitor, unfortunately there are quite a few scammers out there. Know who owns a site, make sure the site is secure and see what others have to say about it first. Do freelance writing in your spare time to earn a decent amount of cash. There are websites that you can sign up for where you can choose from a wide variety of topics to write on. Typically, the higher paying sites will request that you take a test to determine your writing ability. Be prepared to verify who you are if you plan to make cash online. Most websites that offer pay for work need to verify your identity just like any other employer. You should have all your ID ready to convey digitally so that the process will be easy. When looking for opportunities to make money online, try the big name companies first. Amazon and eBay, for example, are trusted and have proven to work for millions of people. While it can be safe and lucrative to go with unknowns, the big companies have track records, tools and other ways of ensuring your success from the get-go. Many people make quite a bit of money by filling out surveys and participating in online studies. There are numerous websites that offer this kind of work, and it can be quite lucrative. It is important that you check out the reputation and validity of any website offering survey work before joining and supplying your sensitive information. Make sure the site has a good rating with the BBB or other consumer protection agency. It should also have positive reviews from users. Making money online will be easy if you use these tips. Preparation is an investment in your online earning power. Videos such as the one you've just read are ideal sources of guidance on these matters. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.